So, sir, since you are here with us and with your rich experience in administration, as well as you serving on the AICTE committees, as well as in the MHCET admission process, we would like to ask you a few questions for helping students who are considering, taking admissions into engineering. Right. So, first question, sir, what crucial factors should students evaluate before choosing any engineering or STEM course?
So in order to choose a STEM course, that is science, technology, engineering and mathematics, it is essential that the student's interest and his passion to be understood by the students. That is, he has to have a self-evaluation. म्हणजे तो मुलगा स्वतःचं एबिलिटी ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज कशामध्ये आहेत आणि रिसर्च ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज कशामध्ये आहेत हा पण त्यांनी समजून घ्यायला पाहिजेत. आणि नेक्स्ट टू दॅट, अपार्ट फ्रॉम द करिअर पाथ, विद्यार्थी सर्वे करायला पाहिजे की कुठले कुठले स्पेशलायझेशन आहेत पर्टिक्युलर इंजिनिअरिंग कोर्सेस मध्ये, कोणते स्पेशलाइज आहे का, ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी त्यांनी सेल्फ अनालिसिस करणं गरजेचं आहे. आणि ती सगळे नॉलेज आहे का, ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी त्यांनी सेल्फ अनालिसिस करणं गरजेचं आहे. आणि ती सगळे स्पेशलायझेशन आयडेंटिफाय करावं लागतं त्यांना, की त्याचं करिक्युलम काय आहे, त्याचं सिलेबस काय आहे, ती सुद्धा त्यांनी स्टडी करायला हवं. कारण काही करिक्युलम कमी कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन आहे आणि बाकीच्या गोष्टीवर जास्त आहे. सच इंजिनिअरिंग म्हणलं तर इट इज फंडामेंटल इन मॅथमॅटिक्स. बरोबर. सो वन हॅज टू learn mathematics in depth as an engineering is concerned. Yes. So based on that, they are supposed to choose a particular course and then decide what has to be done. And another thing, while choosing the universities and the college, they need to streamline their thinking, their abilities with the institute and the branches they are going to choose. So there is a lot confusion between choosing the branch and the choosing the institutions, right? So what has to be given the first priority? कुठल्या कशाला आपण पहिलं प्रायोरिटी द्यायला पाहिजे, ब्रांचला द्यायला पाहिजे का कॉलेजला द्यायला पाहिजे? जर तुम्ही एखाद्या स्पेसिफिक ब्रांच, then choose the branch and then go for the college. Okay, college is equally important. आणि ज्या लोकांना करिअर जॉबचं इम्पॉर्टन्स आहे, they are not bothered of the specific branch, then they can go for the choice of the institutes. So when they are choosing the institute, they should look at the institute, whether the institute is accredited by some particular bodies, like National Board of Accreditation is there, then NIRF is there, then NAC is there, National Assessment and Accreditation Council. Right. So one has to identify what is the ranking of the institute. One has to see whether it has been properly accredited by the particular bodies of Indian government. And apart from that, they should see that the academics of that particular institute, how academics are there, how the faculties are there, whether the qualified faculties are available or not, sufficient faculties. It is being most of the time observed that in most of the institutes, because the management is unable to make the payments, they run the institutes on a lesser number of faculties. So that also is an important thing which one has to notice. And they don't opt for highly qualified teachers in their institute. Yeah. So that has to be taken care of. And most important part, at par with all these things, is the placement. So that is the key aspect of choosing a particular career by the candidate, right? Yeah. So he has to see whether how placement is being done, what is the percentage of placement, what are the different top companies which come on campus and then select the students in that particular college, what is the pay scales they are going to provide them. All these things are the parameters which they need to take care of. And then they are supposed to choose a particular college and the particular universities. So these are some of the aspects which before choosing a particular engineering course or a college, the student has to choose.
Thank you so much, sir. Very comprehensive information that you have given. And यातल्या बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी एक्सटर्नल आहेत, म्हणजे कॉलेजचं इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर कसं आहे, रिसर्च लॅब्स, योर स्ट्रेंथ्स, व्हॉट आर युअर पॅशन्स, स्पेंड सम टाइम, थोडासा स्वतःवरती वेळ घालून understand what your strengths are, understand what your weaknesses are, understand what opportunities you have based on your strengths, right? And then you choose an engineering branch or a college. And the other thing that you said is की हा एक conventional advice तर दिला जातोच की तुमचं mathematics जर का चांगलं नसेल, if you are not great at mathematics, then engineering may not be for you. But I'm sure, sir, you might have seen so many children who have kind of rediscovered themselves or actually performed very well in engineering, even though they might not have great marks in mathematics.
If you take a computer branch itself, for learning a computer, okay, mathematics is required being an engineering. But if you take a computer branch itself, for learning a computer, okay, mathematics is required being an engineering. But not that depth knowledge of mathematics is required for a computer branch. So there are opportunities for everybody